Welcome you all for KLBiologyNEET children. And today we are going to discuss plasma. Before that, in last video we discussed a question. The fluid part of the blood is mainly due to, yes, it is plasma. Many of you answered. Very good children, excellent. Okay, so today we will see plasma. Plasma is 55% of blood volume. Possible question. What is the color of plasma? It is straw yellow colored fluid. And you can find plasma 92% water. So what is maximum contribution in plasma is a possible question. 92% is water. You know the purpose of water, it is a solvent. And protein is some 6 to 8% is protein. We find fibrinogen. Fibrinogen is a clotting factor. And we find albumin. Albumin is for maintaining osmotic pressure. And then globulin. Globulin gives immunity. So this is regarding protein. All these are possible questions only, children. Apart from that, we find ions. So what are the ions we find? We find calcium, magnesium, sodium, potassium, bicarbonate, phosphate, hydrogen phosphate, sulfate. So these are the ions. Of course, when bicarbonate is there, you know you have carbonic anhydrase and also it maintains pH. Okay, so these are ions. Apart from that, we have gases. So in gases, we have oxygen, carbon dioxide and nitrogen. So nitrogen 78% we inhale and we also exhale the same 78%. And nutrients like amino acids, glucose, vitamins, minerals, fatty acid and glycerol. Regulatory substance. The regulatory substances are hormones, vitamins and enzymes. Waste products. So what are all formed after metabolism are considered to be waste products? So we form urea, uric acid and ammonia. So all these also there in the plasma. So I hope you all understood regarding plasma. All these are possible questions, children. And one question let me ask you. The plasma without fibrinogen and clotting factor is called dash. Can you answer me in the comment box? Thank you all for watching this video. Please subscribe and support.